Good morning, guys. So today is the second day of the Turkish Adventure, as we called it in yesterday's vlog. We called it the Turkish Adventure. If you didn't see it, I'll leave a link below. So we just had breakfast. We just went down and ate, and now we are going on a little cruise. We're gonna go to an island and then to a mosque or something. So yeah. So today this is what I'm wearing: blue t-shirt like this and some shorts. So as I told you last time, I think I told you we're going to be on a cruise. So we went on a bus for like 2.5 hours, but I didn't film anything because like half the time I was sleeping, and there was nothing like to film. So right now we just ate something on that restaurant right there, which is I think my father and my aunt are still sitting there. So yeah, and then we just ordered some, we rented a boat or this, and now we're paddling our way through. So look at the view, guys. Look at that. Struggling to get it back, and we finally did it. We're back at the bus, and like after 20 minutes we're gonna be at a restaurant. So we just arrived at the restaurant, and look at it. The seats, literally the seats like are look where the seats are. Like they're all above the ground. So guys, we just ate. Look at this little cat. I think it's scared. So cute. So we just ate, and I think it's time to get some photos because the view here is amazing. Look at this. There's a stream and everything. So guys, we walked a little and then we found these games, but the problem with them, they're for like really little kids, like really little. But we decided to play in them, and after a while, I think like half an hour left, we're gonna go up there, up the mountain. We may play motorcycles, because I think it's 18 and plus. If it's not, we're gonna play it. And then, so the photo shoot finished. We filmed some really good photos. So this is the bus we've been in. And I think now, after a while, we're leaving. We're just waiting for the others to come since nobody's here. So we are on our way to the top of the hill. I think we're at the top right now. So my brother's trying to vlog right now. So we're going up the mountain, and it's very beautiful out here. This is the first time my brother vlogs, so He usually just talks with the camera for no reason.
We're gonna rent some ATVs.
I think we're almost up, but look at that. We're so high up. There's clouds beside us right now. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there are clouds right beside us. And look at it down there. So I think it's supposed to be really cold outside, and I'm wearing shorts. And I hate the cold. So that's a good start. So we're about to ride the telephone. About to ride these. I rode them once in Malaysia, but it was actually closed when I rode them. And now it's freezing. I wear my jacket, but it's freezing. So we just entered a place where you cannot see anything at all. It's so cloudy out here. So we decided to call it the invisible place. So we went, we bought some things and finished. But guys, look at this fancy bus. So I'm going to end the vlog here. The Turkish Adventure Day 2 is finished. Bye!